Dear children, you also join with us. We shall go to the pond and learn what are the different kinds of animals, plants are there, how it is being polluted, how can we clean that, all that we learn from the field itself. Come on, we shall go. Dear children, you see the pond. This is a pond near the temple. Once upon a time, this pond was used to collect drinking water. But now, you see the fate of it. See, there is a lot of waste debris are thrown. Now, look at this pond carefully and observe its surrounding. Observe. You can see what are the plants, animals, color of the water. Observe carefully. Now you tell me, what is the color of the water?
Sir, it is black, dark color.
It is so black, dark. Is it a clean water?
No, sir. No, sir.
No.
It is a polluted water.
Polluted water. How do you say that it is very dirty?
Sir, we can say based on its color and its bad smell.
We can say it's based on its color. What's the color it is? So black, dark in color, and it looks so muddy. Then
The bad smell coming out.
so it is very badly smelling. It is very bad smell. Any other?
Sir, and wastes are thrown in it.
What are the waste?
The plastic covers, slippers.
Plastic covers are there. See, there is a slipper, and there is one more. What is this one?
So there are coconuts.
Coconuts.
Are there.
There are liquor bottles. How this pond is getting polluted?
Sir,
Huh.
sir, people are throwing waste like slippers, plastic bottles and plastic covers.
So people are throwing waste, solid waste like plastic papers, covers, liquor bottles, slippers. Yes, so many wastes are thrown. Okay, one reason. Anything else? Any other reason?
Sir, there is a swimming pool there.
Okay, swimming pool.
And the drainage water is also discharged into the
Very good. There is a swimming pool. Wastewater is discharged here.
Sir.
Pond. Yes.
Sir, the discharge of waste from swimming pool and washerman shed.
Oh, there is a washerman shed and there is a swimming pool. The wastewater from there is also getting discharged. So there is a discharge canal. Water is discharged through that canal. Okay. Any other reason? Anything?
So people from temple also while coming they throw plastic bags.
Okay. From the temple when people are coming, they also throw some paper, plastic bags. Okay. What is this, children?
Sir, this is a drainage canal.
This is a
Drainage canal.
what it brings?
It brings the drainage to pond.
It brings the drainage water and pours into the pond. Discharges into the pond. Okay. So what?
Sir, it brings the other waste like coconut, plastic items to the pond.
It brings other waste like that. You see, there are a lot of waste. Everything they have been discharged into the pond. By this process, what happens?
The pond gets polluted.
The pond is getting polluted.
Sir, and this is a source of water pollution.
Very good. This is one of the source of water pollution. Now you observe, is there any fish inside the water?
No, sir. No, sir.
Observe carefully. Any fish is seen?
Sir, there is a turtle.
There is a tortoise. There is a turtle is there. There is a turtle one. But other than that, any fish is seen here? No. Why no fish?
Sir, because fish cannot live in this dirty water.
He says, it is so dirty water and fish cannot survive in this, he says. Very good. Next.
Fish requires clean water to survive.
Fish requires clean water. So since it is so dirty, fish cannot survive in this water. Okay, right. Is there any other animal in this pond?
Sir, there are many water insects.
There are many water insects.
Eagles like type of birds are there, sir.
Okay.
Sometimes
Sir, there is
fishes are also coming.
Kingfishers also coming. Okay. Now you tell me, you observe the surrounding carefully and tell me what are the different kinds of plants, trees.
Sir,
Can you tell me any one? Can you name one?
Shrubs,
Grasses, shrubs.
climber.
There are climbers. Okay.
creepers,
There are creepers are there. Okay.
different types of trees.
There are different types of trees. Big trees also there.
There are some touch-me-not plants.
There are some touch-me-not plants. Very good. Okay. Now, by seeing this pond, would you like to change anything here?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
What do you want to do?
We like to clean this pond by removing the waste, sir.
Very good. So you want to clean the pond by removing the waste. Very good. Waste. I will also join with you. Okay? I will also join with you. We will clean the pond. Okay? Before that, take the gloves and wear it. I will arrange some tools for you. I will arrange some tools for you. Come. Come on, take this one. You take this. We can take this. We come. We'll go there. Come carefully. Now, I will remove this solid waste. The solid wastes are there. Okay.
There is a syrup bottle.
There is a syrup bottle. Where?
Sir,
Yeah.
here.
This. I'll put it out. Then we can take it up.
Shall I try?
You want to try?
Yes, sir.
Try.
Everybody will try. Yeah.
Yes, yes. She is also doing well. Very well. Very good. Adi, you will go down.
Yeah, I will try.
Come. Come. Slowly. Take out.
Take this cover also.
Give
Oh
it.
no! Sir, somebody is throwing water bottle.
Excuse me. You request.
Dear elders, we humbly request you, ma'am, please don't throw waste things in ponds, lakes, ma'am. Ma'am, please don't pollute the water.
Ma'am, please put the waste in dustbin, ma'am. Thank you.
माफ़ करना बच्चों, मैं आपको विश्वास दिलाती हूँ आगे से मैं कचरा पात्र में डालूंगी और पानी को दूषित भी नहीं करूँगी और हम सब मिलकर एक स्वच्छ भारत के निर्माण में सहयोग करेंगे।
Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, sir. Children, anything else can we do here?
Yes, sir.
What can we do?
Sir, we can prepare some boats and place it on the trees.
Trees. So you can prepare some signboards and place it on the trees. I have brought some tools for you. You can take it and then prepare board of your own slogan. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Start. Over?
Yes, sir.
Shall you go and place it on the tree?
Yes, sir.
Come on, come. Welcome back, children. How was the pond?
Sir, the pond was dirty.
Pond was very dirty. Okay.
Sir, it was polluted.
It was polluted. But earlier in the past, it was not like that. It was so clean. People were collecting drinking water from that pond. Nowadays, it has came like this. Because of what? Because of our own activities like throwing waste, like slipper, liquor bottle, plastic waste, and discharging drainage, discharging sewage. Such kind of activity polluted the water. So, there is no fish could survive in that. Earlier it was very wonderful, very nice. We can drink the water. So, what we should do?
We should not pollute water.
We should not pollute the water. We should clean the water. If at all polluted, that is to be cleaned.
It is our responsibility to keep our water bodies clean.
Very good. Adi says it is our responsibility to keep the water body clean. It is, yes?
We should keep our surrounding clean.
We should keep our surrounding clean. Very good.
Sir, and we should save the water.
We should save the water. So, all the government alone cannot do all these things. It is our responsibility also to save, to protect the water, right? Okay. Now, dear children, I would like to give a small activity. When you go to your place, if there is any pond, if there is any river or any lake, you observe the following. What will you observe? Which type of trees, plants found around there? Make a note of it. For example, the pond which I have seen, there these are the plants were there. The big trees, climbers, herb, shrubs, there are grasses were there. Which are the plants are there in your area? in the pond or river? Please make a note of it. I have seen a pond in Kerala. There are lot of which trees this one?
Coconut trees.
Lot of coconut trees are found around the pond. There is one more lake I found. There big tall trees are there, even coconut trees also there. I have seen lot of grasses, herb, shrubs. By the side of the river there are lot of tall grasses I have seen. You also observe what are the small plants or tall plants, what are they, make a note of it. Which plant is this?
Lily.
Lily. This is a water plant. I have seen this in a pond in Kerala. Which plant is this?
Lotus.
Lotus. What is beside lotus?
Turtle.
Yes, it is a turtle. So this is a another water
Animal.
water animal. What is this?
Duck.
This is a moor hen. This is a moor hen. This is also a water bird. What is this?
Water snake.
Water snake.
This is a water snakes. What is this?
Crocodile.
Crocodile. These are the different types of
Animal.
water animals. These are different types of water animals. This is a goose. This is a like duck. This is a goose. This is heron. This is a heron. This is a water bird. In the picture, what are the different types of plants which you have seen?
Sir,
Yes,
grasses,
grasses,
lotus,
lotus,
Lily.
lily, coconut trees,
Shrubs.
shrubs,
creepers,
creepers. So you have seen different types of plants. What are the animals which you have seen?
heron,
Heron,
goose,
goose,
Crocodile.
crocodile,
Water snake.
water snake,
Moor hen.
moor hen,
turtle,
turtles. So in this picture which I have seen in a pond, these are the animals that I found. In your area, in your pond or river, what are the animals are there? What are the plants are there? Please go and observe carefully and note down in your notebook. Right? Dear children, do you think that like the river in the picture, your river also may be polluted?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir, it also can be affected by water pollution.
yes, your river or any river or pond may also be affected by water pollution. If we are not maintaining, the every river or pond will get affected. Okay. Now you can see the river continues and flows into where?
See.
Sea. It flows and joins to the sea. Have you seen sea?
Yes,
Anybody?
sir.
Yes, Arun. Where
Sir,
did you see?
I have seen in Chennai and in Rameswaram.
You have seen in Chennai and in Rameswaram. Okay. Adi, have you seen the sea?
Yes, sir.
Where?
1 year before in Cochin.
1 year before in Cochin. Okay, good. Now, can you show me how the waves move?
yes sir,
Can you show me? Yes, show with your hand. Wow, like this the waves move. Very good, very good, very good. Stop. I have a doubt whether the sea water is drinkable.
no,
No. Why?
sir, it is very very salty.
It is very very salty. We cannot drink that. Okay. Adi, from where do you get drinking water?
Sir, we can get it from the river.
You get it from river. What we have learnt different kinds of animals and plants surrounding the pond, sources of pond water pollution, taking part in cleaning the polluted pond, placing boards stating not to pollute the water, disposing solid waste properly.